What's up guys, today I got the green ski over here on the dolly. Gonna do a little bit of walk around and I kind of show you the inside. Now it's not, I can get to it better. The black one's sitting over there on the trailer. I might do that one next depending on how hard it is to get it off the trailer. Alright, well this one is a 2021 GP 1800 SVHO, which is the green and black. I debadged it though because I just like the cleaner look. And then Jet Tech Performance put a decal on the side there that like this a little bit cleaner for me. It has the Riva Stage 2, which is retainers, air intake, all that. It has the Riva through hole exhaust and the Riva ride plate. I'll show you the inside here. It has the green, the valve cover, and everything like that. There's the aftermarket air intake. There's a little green powder coating on the valves and the valve cover. There's the through hole. And then the intercooler filter sitting right here. And then the one for the intercooler and then one the flush for the intercooler, flush for the engine. A little breather on the side here. I really like that green. That green kind of pops and especially kind of goes with it. And this is the green ski because of the green up here. The other one has black all the way around up here. I don't know exactly how many hours it has. 120 something like that. Oh wow, 137.1 hours. So that means there is 119 hours on this because I blew up it and I had to replace the block because I put a hole in the side of the block. If you look at one of the other videos, you'll show all the damage and the carnage of that, and that happened around 29 hours. But this is my original ski. I bought this one brand new from Pensacola Motorsports. It had 0 hours on it. Hang on a second, got to the ball. I've had this one since brand new. That one I just got February of last year for a second ski so I can have friends go with me or somebody that can actually run with me and keep up because most ones can't. 87.6 on the GPS. Over there is 87.9. So I mean it's got a little bit faster than I want to go. I'd like to get this into the mid 90s by the end of the year. So I think cams are coming and or maybe a bigger wheel on the supercharger. I don't know yet. We'll see what happens. Full build breakdown in the description below. Like and subscribe.